you wanting to learn to crochet? Have you tried some kits and patterns, gotten frustrated and given up? Then I think I might have the solution for you. I'm so excited to launch my Learn to Crochet kit. This kit is a little bit different from most on the market because it's basically a Learn How to Crochet masterclass in a box. And what I mean by that is I've explicitly designed each of the patterns and projects in this kit with a view to teaching you how to crochet. So the patterns are all very beginner friendly, but collectively they cover all of the major crochet stitches and techniques that you'll want to master as a beginner. Each pattern builds on the skills that you've learnt from the pattern prior, and by the end of the kit you should be able to tackle basically any beginner, advanced beginner, and even some intermediate crochet patterns. By using this kit, you won't just learn how to make the 4 projects in the kit, but I'll show you how to count your stitches, how to read the parts of a stitch, how to count your rows, how to use stitch markers to keep your edges straight, why you might use certain stitches for certain types of projects. The kit will also teach you how to read a crochet pattern, and that's because each project comes with a detailed video tutorial with step-by-step instructions, but I've also given you a written pattern that includes a long form description alongside the typical short form notation that crochet patterns are typically written in. So you'll start to become familiar with how crochet patterns are written and how to read them. I've also included in this kit a troubleshooting guide that will cover some of the common challenges that new crocheters have when starting out. So in this kit you'll make not just one project but 4 projects, each one designed to teach you specific skills that it's useful to know as a new crocheter. In the first project, you'll make this set of 3 dishcloths. I absolutely love these dishcloths. I use them every day, and they're a great way to learn some of the basics of the 3 most common crochet stitches: single crochet, double crochet, and half double crochet. This project will also expose you to how to count your rows, how to understand the parts of a stitch, and how to do a simple border. And then for your second project, you'll make this pair of coasters. And this project is a great way to learn how to work in the round, how to do increases, and also how to do a shell scalloped border. For the third project, you'll make this adorable little bookmark that has a lovely vintage look to it, and you just pop it over the corner of your book to mark your place. This project will show you how to do seaming and introduce you to the granny stitch and the picot border. And then the final project you'll make in the kit is this little coffee cozy. And this is where I'll show you how to do colour work, as well as how to use some fancier stitches to create a ribbing detail. So not only are these projects a great way to learn how to crochet, but they're also super useful practical items that you'll actually use around your house. So in the kit you'll get all of the yarn that you need for the 4 projects, and I've very deliberately designed these patterns to expose you to different fibre types and yarn weights, so that you can get some experience with working with different types of yarns and maybe discover which ones you like working with the best. So in the kit there's a mix of 100% cotton yarn, cotton and acrylic blend, a wool and acrylic blend, as well as 100% wool. I've specifically chosen these yarns to be beginner friendly, so they aren't yarns that will easily split and they'll be nice to work with. You'll also get some metal tapestry needles and some metal stitch markers. If you don't have your own crochet hooks, then you can also add these to your kit. So you can buy this kit on my YouTube storefront, which is linked below. You can also find me on Etsy, and if you're based in Australia, on madeit.com.au. I really hope that this kit marks the start of a really wonderful journey for you into the amazing fibre craft of crochet. If you like this kit, I've got lots of other ideas for other crochet kits that I'm hoping to launch. So make sure to follow my YouTube channel as well as my store so you don't miss any new releases.